Yan, baka na.
Ay, tinuod ang box. Ang box ay tinuod. Nga, tinuod ang box. Tinuod ang box nga Amazon. Wow! Dawa. Sealed. Kita niyo sealed?
It is Amazon and it is sealed.
So, di na to ni Abron kay sealed man.
Open!
Sealed man.
Open ang sealed gani. Paano ang tip? Pila na rin pagbutag masking tape.
San. Wow!
Ito ba ang diri?
Oh,
Alexa, what is your name?
hala.
Mura na sulod?
Ano si Alexa? Ako. How to set up. Saan pag-set up? Ano sa nito? Tapos sa ilalong kay connection ni Alexa.
So, sa'yo ngalan ani?
Alexa. Echo Dot. Di ay Echo Dot.
This is a robot and its name is Alexa. Then, this is the unboxing of our order of my daughter and it is
Amazon.
from Amazon, so it's long travel ko sa layo man. And this is the gadget attached to Koran.
Amazon ang gahimo ana.
Dili ba ang website nga mo connect siya ba?
Wala ko kabalo kasi.
So this will be connected into the internet, then this will control any device. As you can see, we will let you know how it works during the time that we will connect this machine into a device. So the instruction there, and that is it. I'm reading. Basa ko ng pasok ng diya para makapagod.
Echo Dot. Add Alexa to any room. Far Field Voice Control by Amazon. So what's included in the box is an Amazon Echo Dot 3rd Gen and a power adapter. May power adapter ni Amazon and Amazon Echo Dot 3rd Gen.
So that is it. That is for our unboxing. We ordered from Shopee, and the one who delivered this product is GT Express.
Chianti.
GNT.
Full charge ito ko sa pagkain. Wing.
Program na ang among
Hey
robot.
there. It's nice to meet you. Let's get you started with 4 things to try. You can say stop at any time. I'm very helpful around the house. For example, setting alarms. I'll cancel this alarm after, but try saying, Alexa, wake me up at 9 a.m.
Alexa, wake me up at 9 a.m.
Alarm set for 9 a.m. Here's a preview of your alarm. I'll cancel that alarm for now. Here's the next thing I want to show you. When you've got a lot on your plate, ask me for a reminder. I'll cancel this reminder after, but try saying this. Alexa, remind me to call mom at 6 p.m.
Alexa, remind me to call mom at 6 p.m.
Okay, here's a preview of your reminder. I'm reminding you. Call mom. I'll cancel that reminder for now. Let's try something fun. I love a good chuckle. Try saying, Alexa, tell me a joke.
Alexa, tell me a joke.
What's a pirate's favorite exercise?
I don't know.
Plank. That was a real knee slapper. Here's something different to try. With routines, it's easy to complete multiple Alexa actions with one command. I have a routine called Start My Day, where I tell you a fun fact, followed by the weather. Do you want me to enable that routine?
No.
Okay, let's move on. One last thing. I'm designed to protect your privacy. You can manage it in the privacy settings of the Alexa app. Okay, now it's time to explore. And thanks for talking with me.
Yes.
In English, tanan iya pangutana, pwede binisayon. What is your name? Balik mo tingog.
Alexa, what is your name?
I'm Alexa. I share this name with lots of amazing people. And that reminds me, I don't know your name yet. If you'd like, I can learn your name, and also recognize your voice. Would you like to get started making your own voice profile?
Later.
Alexa, what day is today?
It's Thursday, April 6th.
Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 6:53 p.m.
Alexa, sing happy birthday. Ay, Alexa!
Okay,
Ay, sorry.
that's okay. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy
Nasig tungod.
So, my daughter bought this one because she liked the style and it is already, I think it's like computerized. It is a voice assistant. So, if you ask for a time, then you play the music, what is the date, this machine will answer you. But, of course, you should program, and I think there's a website for this. So my daughter is still programming, but anyway, this machine can answer, like example, Alexa, what is the date for today?
Today is Thursday, April 6th, 2023 in province of Oriental. Did that answer your question?
Thank you very much.
You are so very welcome. Hope you enjoyed your Thursday.
So that is the machine is answering. So this machine is very genius. So we are very amazed to purchase this product. If you are interested to buy this product, you can find it in Shopee or in Lazada. That the product is from Amazon. So it's not so expensive. It's quite a little cheap, but still mahal pa rin. So that's all for today. By sharing to you our voice assistant. If ever you will just leave, then you forgot the time, you don't have bring any watch, or you forgot where's your cell phone, maybe they can answer to you. So once again, thank you very much for watching for our installing our voice assistant. Like that's a unboxing a while ago. We do an unboxing today, but it very happy. My daughter's very happy because it is the product that we bought from Shopee is functioning. So once again, thank you very much for watching. God bless you all. Bye-bye. Alexa, hello, good evening.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
What happened? Alexa, what happened?
I thought I heard a request. Want to know exactly what I heard?
Alexa, what's the weather for today?
The current weather is 28 degrees Celsius with mostly cloudy skies. Tonight's forecast has just a few clouds in the sky, with a low of 24 degrees. Would you also like to know the weather for the next 7 days?
Yes.
The forecast for the next 7 days: Friday, 31 degrees Celsius and partly sunny weather. Saturday, 30 degrees and showers. Sunday, 28 degrees and rainy weather. Monday, 30 degrees and clouds and showers. Tuesday, 31 degrees and lots of clouds. Wednesday, 32 degrees and cloudy skies. Thursday,
Alexa,
30
stop. Wait, sa hulat kay set up ko voice ID.
So that's all for our video for a short presentation for Alexa. So thank you very much again for watching. God bless you all. Bye bye again.